Hi friends, welcome to Science with Ayazullah. And friends, today I'm going to show you how to make an egg float on water. So friends, let's start. So friends, the materials for this experiment are salt, a spoon, two glasses, water, and two eggs. So friends, now let's start our experiment. So friends, for the experiment first, we will take a glass and we will pour half of the glass water. And now we will add 6 teaspoons of salt. And now we will stir it well. So friends, now we have to pour the other half water into this. You have to pour it from the rim of the glass. So friends, now I will place the egg into the water. See friends, the egg floats on the water. So friends, now in the other glass you have to pour plain water. And friends, now you have to place the other egg into this water. See friends, you will see that the egg goes down, it sinks in the water. So friends, now you can see that in the salty water egg floats and in the plain water egg sinks. So friends, now I'll push the egg downwards but still it will bounce back upwards. So, friends, this is because when we add salt to the water becomes denser, and the more density in the water makes objects float on it. So, the egg floats on the water, whereas the plain water is less denser than the salty water, so the egg sinks in it. So friends, if you liked my videos, like, share and subscribe to my channel Science with Ayazullah. Thank you for watching.